Welcome to Toadstool Geologic Park on the Ogallala National Grassland, which is managed by the Forest Service.
I bet you're wondering why they call it Toadstool. To find out, come with us to the fossil trails. Once you get here, it's really not difficult to tell why they call it Toadstool. I mean, ribbit.
Well, actually, it's because they look like mushrooms, you know, like toadstools.
Huh. Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
You serious, Clark?
Huh. I guess so.
Toadstool represents a period of time between the Eocene and Oligocene epochs in a group of rocks called the White River Group.
The Eocene is represented by the lower unit, the Shadron Formation, and the Oligocene is represented by the upper unit, the Brule Formation, which you met in the Scotts Bluff episode of this series. Now, throughout this series, we've talked a lot about dinosaur tracks, but dinosaurs aren't the only animals to leave tracks. They certainly weren't the last ones. Like these mammal tracks, here we have rhino and entelodon tracks.
These tracks that we're literally walking beside right now were made in a river channel about 30 million years ago. Tracks like these are very important to paleontologists for understanding the behavior of these animals.
But this isn't the only place where the White River Group is preserved. In fact, it's even better preserved at Badlands National Park overall. That's the most famous locality. But one of the coolest things about Toadstool is it actually preserves time that is missing from the Badlands geologic record. In fact, between the Shadron and the Brule Formation, up to 1.7 million years is missing at Badlands National Park that is represented here and almost nowhere else. Which makes Toadstool a really great place for future paleontological research about the White River Group. Just saying.
We're just saying.
Just saying.
We might be huge White River Group fans. Oh,
Just try it out. Try it.
on
You
for
might
size.
like it.
You might like it.
Yep.
And speaking of research, we completely accidentally ran into a group of paleontologists doing research on this area right now.
Their research group is called Future Fossils on Fans, and they're studying the ecology and taphonomy of fossils deposited around the Eocene-Oligocene transition, and comparing their observations to analogous environments in South America.
Their research sounds super cool, and they invited us to join them for a bit of their fieldwork. It was a blast, and it highlights just how small this science really is.
Only in the natural sciences will you randomly run into people from your field unexpectedly in the literal middle of nowhere and get invited to help them with fieldwork. And be sure to join us next time as we continue to explore fossils on our public lands, out here on the fossil trails.
And in the meantime, stay fossiliferous. Never assume I'm done. Always assume I'm crazy.